Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and signing in. This connects your history and preferences so results personalize quickly. Once signed in, grant microphone and location access to use voice and map-aware features. Make sure camera access is enabled for visual search. Next, open settings to choose default search engine, voice assistant language, and safe search level. These first actions reduce friction and let you start searching, asking, and scanning immediately with accurate, personalized responses. Now you focus on execution. Tap the microphone or type a query to get results. Voice is faster for multi-step requests, while typing helps precise keywords. For objects or text, tap the camera and crop to the area you need. Visual search identifies items and links to shopping or info. Use the chat tab for conversational follow-ups, search for direct links, and collections to save useful results. Once done, refine queries with context phrases to narrow answers. To complete a task, save findings to collections, share links, or copy answers into other apps. This keeps your workflow seamless. If something breaks, sign out and sign back in to refresh synchronization or clear the app cache to remove temporary glitches. When persistent errors occur, restart the device and reinstall the app. That often restores missing features. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice or camera permissions seem blocked, check system settings and toggle permissions off then.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.